I said good morning, everyone. All right, my name is Sergeant Reed, all right? I've been in the United States military for 16 years, all right? I got exposed to drones in the military. But today, you guys have been working hard all year long. Today, we didn't just bring you down here for nothing. Today, we wanted to also let you know, congratulations, it's the last day. Clap it up, it's the last day. Some of you have been great with attendance. Some of you have great grades. All of these drones are not for me. These drones are for you. Everyone's gonna go home with a drone today because of all the work you put in. Clap it up for yourself. But it's very important when we give you these drones, everyone say safety first.
Safety first.
Say safety first.
Safety first.
All right, so these drones are not toys. These drones have a camera on it. All right, you can hook it up with your phone. You can take photos with it. You can film. These drones are for you, but you have to do the following. You cannot fly the drone outside in the most dangerous place. Can I fly my drone right now outside? So we're gonna work on some safety rules. Everyone see your left thumb. Let's see your left thumb. Show me your left thumb. All right, we're gonna go through. All right, with your left thumb, when you get your controller, everyone's gonna get the same controller. All right, everyone say throttle.
Throttle.
Say throttle.
Throttle.
I'm gonna turn the drone on here. The drone itself, everyone has lights. All right, you get 2 batteries. All right, what's gonna happen? I turn the drone on first, and then I turn on the controller. All right. So you take your left thumb. Let me see your left thumb again. All right. That's how we start the drone. Left thumb, you slide up. Now the propellers are spinning. Everyone say propeller. So I'm gonna throttle up with my left thumb. So, very, very important that you keep the drone in the same vision. You want to be able to do line of sight. Everyone say line of sight.
Line of sight.
You have to see the drone at all times. If I fly the drone anywhere outside and I can't see it, I'm breaking some rules. So we have to make sure we keep our drones safe at all times. Throttling down, left thumb also lands the drone. So we got throttle for up and down, and then we also have for landing. Let me see that left thumb again. All right, in order for the drone to turn, everyone say yaw.
Yeah.
So to turn the drone is yaw with your left thumb. So we have throttle, up and down, and yaw. Let me see your right thumb now. Right thumb. I better know your right and left. You got a problem. All right. So right thumb. The right thumb on your controller makes the drone go forward and backward. That word is called pitch. Everyone say pitch.
Pitch.
So pitching forward and pitching backward. Now that same right thumb, if you want to go side to side, we call that roll. Everyone say roll.
Roll.
So we got 4 turns. 4 turns. Everyone say throttle.
Throttle.
Yaw.
Yaw.
Pitch.
Pitch.
Roll.
Roll.
So those are the 4 terms you gotta remember. I'm gonna give you guys your drone. We're gonna hand it out.
Let me see your box. Let me see your box.
Fifth grade. Jose. Fifth grade, can you come over here? Wait.
Let me see your box. Let me see your box, guys.
Mira donde la cámara.
Just hold up your charger and your extra propellers and propeller guards. Everyone should have a bag full of these. I need everyone to pull it out. Hold it up in the air. We all need to be on the same page. Hold it up.
Got it?
You got extra colors here. You got a charger. Your charger, you're charging only through either if you have a laptop or you have, do not plug this in the wall because there's too many volts to go through, right? Too many amps. So plug this into the following. If you have a USB hub, if you have a computer, a desktop, a laptop, all right, plug the battery. Let's do this real quick. Put this back in the same, where it came back in the compartment. Put it right in the little net. Put it back.
Yeah, put it in the little net.
Everyone hold up the drone now. Hold up the drone. Hold up the drone.
This looks like
He's gonna teach you.
So, your drone, let's do this together. In order to launch the drone, we have to do the following. So, everyone hold the drone up like me. See how it's facing away. Hold it up. I want you to take your drone, hold it up. Make sure the camera is in the front. Make sure it's pointing away from you.
Look at the camera.
So, in order for the drone to open up, so we don't break it, we're gonna take the top two legs here, the two arms, we're gonna open it up, left and right. Everyone should be like me right now. Left and right.